Hello everyone. The root of a radical tells you how many times a number needs to be multiplied by itself to get the radicand. The root of 3 is called a cube root. A cube root is a number that when cubed produces the radicand. So today let us find something more related to this in a lesson, cube and cube roots. One of the great mathematical geniuses, Ramanujan, had a visit to Professor G.H. Hardy. He came with a taxi whose number is 1729. He described the number as a dull number. Ramanujan quickly pointed that 1729 was indeed interesting. He said it was the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. Here, look at the example. What is a cube? Numbers like 1, 8, 27 are called cube numbers or a perfect cube. We get perfect cubes by multiplying a number 3 times with the same number. To understand cube roots, first we must understand cubes. How to cube a number? To cube a number, just multiply a number by itself 3 times. For example, 3 cubed, that is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. Some more examples of cubes are listed below. Have a look. Cube roots. Taking the cube root of a perfect cube will give you the dimension of one edge of the cube. The cube root symbol. This is the special symbol that means cube root. It is the radical symbol. Used for square roots also, but with the little 3 to mean the cube root. Here is an example. This would be said the cube root of 27 equals 3. Cube root. Just like square roots are the opposite of squaring a number, cube roots are the opposite of cubing a number. A cube root goes in the other direction. Look at the example carefully. These are some of the perfect cubes of whole numbers. Finding cube roots using prime factorization. Here is an example. 8000 is given by 2 multiplied 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 by 2. Then multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So cube root of 8000 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Cube roots. Finding the square root, as you know, is the inverse operation of squaring. Similarly, finding the cube root is the inverse operation of finding cube. We know that 2 cube is equal to 8. So we say that cube root of 8 is 2. We write it as shown. So 8 cube is equal to 512. So cube root of 512 is 8. Finding cube roots using estimation. Step 1. Form groups of 3 starting from the rightmost digit. Example 17, then 576. Step 2. Take 576. The digit is 6 at one's place. So we will now take 6 as required cubes one place. So the required cube is equal to 6. Step 3. Then take the other group, that is 17, 1, 7. So cube of 2 is equal to 8 and cube of 3 is equal to 27. So 17 lies between 2 and 3 and the smallest number between them is 2. Take 2 as required cubes 10 place. So the required cube is equal to 26, that is the answer. Cube root through factorization method. Consider 3375. We are breaking it as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So 3 cube multiplied by 5 cube is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to cube. So cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. We find its cube root by prime factorization. The factors are shown. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. So this was all about our lesson cube and cube roots. Cube roots are used in day-to-day mathematics like in powers and exponents, or to find the side of a three-dimensional cube when its volume is given, and much more, which we will learn in higher grades. So learning about this is very important. Thank you, students.